matter, the Supreme Court has also accepted the petition of Goa. So we will wait for the order of the Honorable Supreme Court because they are the people who are deciding now. आम्ही झगडले आता, भरपूर झगडले आता, त्यांना डिसाईड करू नये.
पण ते 3 महिने
No, this is notify करप, but outcome of this final order also depends on the about the notification which they are going to notify. But definitely आमचे जे आदली बाजू आली स्ट्रॉंग आली ती मातशी वीक जाल्ली आहा because of this notification. But still Supreme Court has accepted and they are going to hear us. We will have to wait and watch, and our lawyers have to be very strong in Supreme Court for the final arguments.
Hearing होला June July. In time the construction started.
I think we will intervene if they go ahead with the construction. We will go back to Supreme Court.
आमचं एजी काहीतरी कमी पडला.
ना सो एजीचे काय ना ते आधी ही केस झगडलेले आहा and partly we have won the case, partly that tribunal order जी जाल्या ती notify करपाक कर्नाटका गेल्ले आहा. We are putting a strong case before Supreme Court, and in June I think this thing will get settled.